Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by forcing a reboot so the system can clear transient hangs. This resets active processes without erasing data. Hold power for 10 to 15 seconds, or on many phones, press power plus volume down. If nothing happens, plug the charger for 5 to 10 minutes and try again. Once done, remove the case and wipe the screen edges to avoid accidental touches or stuck sensors. These steps often recover a frozen UI quickly because they restart the kernel and display drivers. If the forced restart didn't fix it, boot into safe mode so you can test whether a third-party app caused the freeze. Safe mode disables user apps. You can then uninstall any app installed or updated just before the problem started. Make sure to clear the cache for suspect apps through Settings, Storage, then App Cache. Cache removal fixes corrupted temporary data. Once you've removed or cleared the offending app, reboot normally to confirm the system is stable and responsive again. When software fixes fail, back up your data and perform a factory reset because this restores system files and eliminates deep configuration issues. Access Settings, System, Reset options, and follow prompts to erase and restore. Make sure you've saved photos and account info first. If the screen still behaves oddly after reset, run built-in touchscreen diagnostics or check for physical damage. Liquid or impact can impair the digitizer. If diagnostics show hardware faults, visit a repair shop for component replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.